My new backsplash makes me so happy. You have no idea. If you haven't seen the video yet, check it out in the link down below. The question now is, what do I do with these? I've got 2 extra Bekvam spice racks that I don't need now. It can't be that easy to make a tray. Come on, it even has built-in handles. Somebody must have made this already. We're gonna use a couple more and make a big square tray so we can make it a chessboard. It's a gift. Shh, don't tell my husband. I'm Tammy. Thanks for joining me today. Let's make a tray. We went to Ikea and got 2 more Bekvam. 2 more. Here's what's in your Bekvam spice rack package. The bottom with holes for wood pegs and 2 holes for screws at each end. Your 2 sides, your one handle, and your little baggie of screws, Allen wrench, and 2 wooden plugs for €3.50, €3.50 in Italy. First step, we're going to disassemble the 2 old Bekvam so we can paint the handles. And don't worry, we're not going to waste the handles either. That's why we get 2 more, so we have 2 handles. And we're going to cut these off just here in our miter box, easy, and then mount them to the bottom as runners, as feet, really long feet or pontoons, and nail them in. They're going to help give strength to the whole thing since it's 4 across. I'll put the links for everything down below in the description box. While you're down there, please hit the like button and subscribe so more people can see this video. We are countersinking our screws so they don't stick out beyond the level of the feet. And this is a countersink drill bit. It's adjustable, so you can adjust it to exactly the length of your screws. That's important, not to go too deep. Remember, we're only putting wood filler in 4 of the end pieces, not all 8 pieces. We need 4 to be open to fit the handles into. Now for my tray, I wanted a very dark grayish blue. So I mixed together my cerulean blue and black. This happens to be Mars Black in acrylic paint. I am pre-painting these 4 end pieces that have the holes because these are going to hold the handles. And my handles are a contrast color and I don't want to try to finagle that color match. So I'm pre-painting so I don't have to worry about the colors blending with each other later. I love this easy IKEA hack. You could completely stop here if you want to. It's already a great gift idea. Now for the decoration. I created a graphic in Adobe Illustrator. I've used that for years. You can use a pre-made graphic. You can use whatever you'd like. Our new Ikea Bekvam tray hack made into a chessboard. Lots more IKEA hacks on our channel. Check this one out.